Wait, before we dive in, are you ready to uncover secrets hidden for thousands of years? This is the mystery you can't miss. Let's be real, nothing says history's biggest unsolved riddle quite like the pyramids. You know the ones. Rising out of the Egyptian desert, weather-beaten but still defying time, physics, and honestly, logic. But what if I told you that, even after centuries, the mysteries surrounding them are deeper than we ever imagined? Today I'm diving headfirst into the wildest enigmas and unanswered questions of the pyramids. Strap in, history buffs. First up, how did ancient Egyptians, without cranes, without modern engineering, move 2 million limestone blocks, some weighing as much as 2 elephants, into perfect alignment? Theories range from ramps to levers to, get this, water lubrication. Yeah, maybe ancient workers dragged stones over wet sand. But the truth? Still up for debate. And then there's the precision. The Great Pyramid of Giza is aligned almost perfectly with true north. We're talking off by just a fraction of a degree, like more accurate than most of today's buildings. How, did they use the stars, magnetic fields, or something else entirely? Now let's talk hidden chambers. In 2017, scientists used cosmic rays, yes, you heard me right, to scan inside the pyramids. They found a vast, previously unknown void above the Grand Gallery. What's in there? Nobody knows. Maybe it's just empty space, or maybe it's something waiting to be discovered. I mean, this is the stuff of Indiana Jones. And the big question everyone loves, were the pyramids really tombs, or did they serve another purpose? While most experts agree they were burial places for pharaohs, no mummies have ever been found in the Great Pyramid itself. Some point to astronomical alignments, theories about lost technologies, or even, here's where it gets wild, messages from ancient advanced civilizations. Don't even get me started on the hieroglyphs. There's not a single hieroglyph inside the Great Pyramid. Why? Did the builders intend it as a blank canvas, or is it hiding a message we've yet to understand? So what's the truth? Maybe the pyramids are just incredible feats of human determination. Maybe they're cosmic calendars, energy generators, or something even stranger. One thing's for sure, the more we learn, the more questions emerge. And that, to me, is the real magic of the pyramids. They remind us that history isn't just about what we know, it's about what we still have to discover. Stay curious, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one to crack the code. If you enjoyed unraveling these mysteries, subscribe for more mind-blowing secrets every day.